Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, Hobby Life with Phelim. Today we are cleaning up our ponds because very soon we are going to stock up these ponds. We have 4 ponds here, so we are going to be cleaning them all. And again, we just got a new goat. That's
Her there.
yes, that's how over
She
there.
jumps all over this place. 1 minute she's on top of the pond, the next minute she's inside. So making this place clean makes everything good for us because so she doesn't come into this place and contact herself with some things that will make her sick. So when we clean up the ponds, I think we're gonna seal it up so it doesn't have a way of coming inside. Then this is great compost from the last harvest. You see, this is compost. Powerful compost. This is going straight to our garden. It's from the last fish harvest. So by the time we clean it up, we put new water, then we bring in the new fishes. So what we're doing now is actually serving two purposes. One, we want to stock, want to get the ponds ready for stocking. Two, this auntie here. Now you see, because of her, the male, they are all climbing the pond now, and she started it. She started it. So let's get this place cleaned up. Let's get it cleaned up. Somehow these goats, they like jumping and staying on planes higher than the floor. They love it. So that's Lindsay trying to come up. Before you know, they'll all be on the pond. This is good compost. This is good compost from the fish pond. Excellent organic manure.
So now we are through packing the compost. This is it here. Now we're going to sweep
Yeah,
this place, the normal sand.
let's just sweep it. Yeah, I think we need to flush it out.
Yes.
There's a bowl here that takes it to this, and it goes to the septic.
Yes.
So I need the broom, and I need that iron rod. This broom is small for me.
So now we are sweeping the place.
It's sand, just from sand from the blocks, from the concrete blocks. Because we're going to use it to fill up places within the premises, not in the compost. So you can see this is compost, and this is just sand.
There's a big difference.
This is for our garden. This we use for filling up some holes and things within the premises. This is for crops. This is very rich. This is just cement, stone, sand. So this pond is almost ready. What we need to do next is open the water, then flush the drain, and we're done with this place. So I'll do that just now. I'll do that just now before I go to the second, to the third, and to the last pond.
So that's how we fill in water into our pond. We open the tap.
There's a switch here.
Yes. And it runs really fast.
And between 20 to 30 minutes, this pond is filled up.
And when we want to drain it, it goes into that hole.
Goes into the pipe, then into the septic. This is the chamber, then the septic. So, done. This is pond 1. From there, pond 2, pond 3, pond 4. It's basically the same process, so no need to have it all on camera. This is the second pond, and that's the third one there, and the fourth one over there. So what I've done here is what I'll repeat here, and I'll repeat it there, and I'll repeat it at the last one. As you can see here, we have lots of compost from the last harvest. So